All right, let's cut across to big breaking news that's coming in. Home Minister Amit Shah, speaking in Lok Sabha on the Immigration of Foreigners Bill, has lashed out at the Bengal government, saying infiltrators, Rohingyas, are entering through Bengal and spreading across the country. Amit Shah, while speaking on the same, said that infiltration will also stop when BJP wins Bengal. Bengal, remember, is going to polls next year. Amid this attack on the Mamata government, when Amit Shah said that the Mamata government is protecting infiltrators and that infiltrators are being given voter IDs and Aadhaar in Bengal, the TMC also staged a walkout from the Lok Sabha while, in fact, Amit Shah was speaking. We're going to get you that statement from Amit Shah in Lok Sabha and tell you exactly what he said. But clearly, Home Minister Amit Shah not mincing his words while attacking the Trinamool Congress government, while attacking the Mamata government, pinning the blame on the TMC for accommodating infiltrators, saying the infiltration crisis across the country right now is because the Bengal government, is because the Mamata government allows the infiltrations to happen along the Bengal-Bangladesh border. Now, even as we're getting you these details, and we're going to be getting you a reaction that, in fact, Amit Shah has given what exactly he said in the Lok Sabha. Even as he's attacked the Mamata government, the Trinamool Congress, remember, staged a walkout amid this. And that, in fact, led to an even more fiercer attack from Amit Shah. Amit Shah has said if infiltrators are entering India through West Bengal, who really is responsible? He's also said that the Bengal government must hand over land to complete border fencing, alleging that it's because of no cooperation, insubordination from the Mamata government that complete border fencing along with the Bengal-Bangladesh border is not being done. Amit Shah has also alleged that border security has been compromised because of the stubborn stand that's been taken by the Bengal government and because infiltrators are being accommodated repeatedly by the Mamata government. He says that the routes have been exposed before, that despite that, Aadhaar cards, voter IDs are being issued to infiltrators, to Rohingyas who are entering into Bengal. Now, according to Amit Shah, he's listed out details, in fact, saying that 450 kilometers of fencing has been put on hold because the Bengal government, according to him, protects infiltrators. So, Home Minister Amit Shah lashing out at the Mamata government, alleging that it's because of lack of coordination, cooperation from the Mamata government that border fencing is not complete, that security agencies are struggling to grapple and contain the infiltrator crisis, and also he alleges that infiltrators are being accommodated by the Trinamool Congress in Bengal. In what was clearly also a political taunt at the TMC, you have, in fact, Amit Shah saying very clearly that if the BJP and when the BJP comes to power in Bengal, the infiltration crisis will come to an end. Remember, the Bengal goes to polls in just, in fact, some months from now. Next year, 2026, is when elections are scheduled to take place in Bengal. So amid that, you're seeing this fierce attack from Home Minister Amit Shah. The TMC staging a walkout even as Amit Shah fired this attack at the Mamata government. And he's also said that the Trinamool Congress can't handle the truth, which is why they staged that walkout. Before we get you more details and that statement from Amit Shah, let me bring in Maushmi Singh for more details. And we're seeing, Maushmi, right now, a no-holds-barred attack by Amit Shah at the Trinamool Congress. It even, we understand, prompted a walkout by the TMC MPs.
Clearly, the TMC has been opposing this bill from the start. Even as the government has the numbers, there has been stiff opposition by certain parties in the opposition, saying that this entire bill has ulterior motives and is meant to divide the society. And that's one reason that you see that the Home Minister, categorically pointing out to the hypocrisy of the Trinamool Congress, thereby saying that this is a very contentious bill that will in fact ensure the safety and security, internal security of India. And on the other hand, the Trinamool Congress is playing to vote bank politics, and that's why the walkout.
Okay, so clearly the TMC miffed over the attack from Amit Shah. And even as the Home Minister was speaking, of course, about the Immigration and Foreigners Bill, you had this targeted, pointed attack on this particular issue of Bengal border fencing, saying that the state government isn't cooperating. It's not the first time, Maushami, we've seen this back and forth really between the Home Ministry and the Bengal government. This is a charge that Amit Shah has leveled before against the Bengal government, to which Mamta has categorically reacted, saying it's not true.
Absolutely, Akshata. You know, the BJP and the Trinamool Congress have been locked in a very bitter battle over the situation of the border situation in West Bengal. And clearly, you know, whereas the Home Ministry is with Amit Shah, he has repeatedly pointed out that the paramilitary forces are facing an uphill task, in fact, securing the border, because they are not receiving any cooperation from the West Bengal government. And we've seen, as the government has pointed out, a lot of infiltration on the border. That's because of the non-cooperation of the Trinamool Congress government. And on the other hand, the Trinamool Congress has hit back, and that's why, you know, when this was expected, that as Amit Shah pointed out and blamed the Trinamool Congress, you know, the Trinamool Congress MPs got up and registered their protest and staged a walkout.
Okay, so the TMC is staging a walkout over this particular issue. We're going to get you that statement from Amit Shah in just a few moments from now, where he's spoken, in fact, on the infiltration along the Bengal-Bangladesh border, alleging that the reason it's happening is because of the Mamta government. We're going to get you those details in just a bit.